Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week I want to give you the number one thing that's going to make you stand out with the media, and that is by being captivating. You need to captivate your audience, whether it's through your content, your social media posts, your following, your media appearances. You want to stand out. You want to draw people in. You want to draw the media in. You want to draw your clients and your customers in. So really think about what you're doing to stand out in your industry. What are you doing to become captivating? And look at everything you're doing. Look at your website. Look at your social media. Look at your content that you're putting out there. Look at your media appearances. And are you just like everybody else, or are you captivating the world with your expertise? So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you like this tip, if you'd like to learn more about how do you land in the media, how do you get your messaging together, how do you just really stand out in the crowd, we have a free blueprint that you can download. It's at captivateandcashin.com/blueprint. There is no cost to download it, and it will give you some step-by-steps on how to do this and really up-level your game so that you are captivating to everyone who learns about you.